Hello, everybody. Want to say hi, Jordan?
Just got off Space Mountain.
Just got off Space Mountain. We're doing Genie Plus today, and I wasn't gonna do a video, but I changed my mind. So I'm gonna kind of do a video. We got it for all 5 of us, Genie Plus. We got here, we did Space Mountain, a 20-minute wait. The wife had the first Genie Plus reservation was for Princess Fairy Tale Hall because my little girl wants to meet some princesses. We had a few minutes before that. I think it was at 10. It's 10:17 right now. So we went and did Space Mountain. Standby was only 20 minutes. Pretty much took exactly 20 minutes. And we are now, as you can see, we're by Winnie the Pooh, and we are heading over to Princess Fairy Tale Hall to do our first lightning lane. So I'll try and document our day to kind of give you an idea of how we did with lightning lane. Need I remind you, we have 3 kids. So it may not go smoothly, but I will let you guys know. Like I said, our first lightning lane reservation is for Princess Fairy Tale Hall. So we're gonna go do that right now. All right, we're in line for Princess Fairy Tale Hall, and we're gonna be booking our next one, which is Haunted Mansion, 10:30. Standby line, it says 30. Confirming our whole party. And so we are now good to go. And our experience time is between 10:40 to, you went too fast, 10:40 to 11:40. So there we go, Haunted Mansion's next. Princess Fairy Tale Hall is done. We saw Tiana and we saw Rapunzel. So we are now heading, as you saw, we booked our next lightning lane for Haunted Mansion, which is 10:40 to 11:40. So we got a few minutes. And so we're gonna head down there and do Haunted Mansion next. Okay, I lied. We're doing a quick ride on the carousel right quick. And then we're going to Haunted Mansion. Carousel is done, and it is now 10:52, and our Haunted Mansion lightning lane started at 10:40. But I think the wife wants to go over and meet Belle right quick. So we're gonna do that right quick with the kids, and then probably head over to Haunted Mansion. So we are now in line. Enchanted Tales with Belle has not returned yet to the Magic Kingdom. So they are using Maurice's cottage as a meet and greet with Belle, which they've done before. So we're gonna go meet Belle right quick before we head over to Haunted Mansion. Belle meet and greet is done, and we are still in our time frame for the Haunted Mansion lightning lane, so we are going to go over, I believe, and do that now. So let's go do it. My favorite. Here we go. Standby wait is 45, and we got our lightning lane ready to go here.
Thank you.
Just got off Haunted Mansion, and now we're going to book our next. We did book our next lightning lane, which is for Big Thunder at 105. So we got, it's 11:40 now. So I think we're gonna eat something, watch the Festival of Fantasy Parade, and then get back into the lightning lanes. Our next one's at 105 for Big Thunder. Festival of Fantasy is done. It is 12:25, and our next lightning lane is for Thunder Mountain at 1:05. So I think we're gonna maybe find something to do here for the next 30 minutes or so. So to take up a few minutes, we're gonna go up in the Swiss Family treehouse. Go do some exploring up in the treehouse. Treehouse is done. We still have about 20-25 minutes. So we are now jumping in line for Aladdin's Magic Carpets, which he said is about a 10 or 15 minute wait. So knocking off another attraction. We just killed some time between our, what was the last thing we did? Haunted Mansion Lightning Lane. And now that we're heading to Big Thunder, so we did, as you saw, we did the Treehouse, and then we did the Magic Carpets, Aladdin's Magic Carpets, which was about a 15-minute wait. So that was perfect. And now we're heading over to do Big Thunder.
Hey guys, where's my next party over here on the left-hand side, please? 45 minutes?
This year's a wildest ride in the wilderness.
That was our lightning lane for Big Thunder, and here's the joy of having 3 kids. My middle one wanted to go on Splash Mountain, which was an hour wait, and the lightning lanes weren't available until later today at like 4:30. We didn't want to do that because that would take our reservation up and we would have to basically just do whatever until 4:30. So we're gonna stick to our lightning lane. I'm taking these two over to the Tomorrowland Speedway for our, I think it's 120 or 130 lightning lane for Tomorrowland Speedway, and then I'm going to book another one after that. So we figured it out somewhat. Here we go. Tomorrowland Speedway current standby line is 40 minutes, and we are going on right now thanks to the lightning lane. Here's a look at the lightning lane line. It's the inside one, so right here. And that's all we have to wait to get on. Our lightning lane for Tomorrowland Speedway. I had to remember what ride that was. But we have a few minutes. We're gonna go over and see if we can jump on Peoplemover. And our next lightning lane is for Little Mermaid at 2:10. So 2:10 to 3:10 is Little Mermaid. And that was pretty much get the lightning lane, you'd be able to go over and get right on. So we're gonna do that. And then I think we're gonna try and get a lightning lane for Pirates next. So, here we go. Our next reservation is for Little Mermaid, 2:10 to 3:10. But we're gonna take a quick, nice, relaxing ride on the Peoplemover because we have a few minutes to spare. It's 2:24, so we'll get off this and we'll head right over to Little Mermaid next.
So keep your eyes open. You never know who you might see.
We are. Are we riding it again? Are you excited to ride it again?
was a nice relaxing ride on Peoplemover. It is now time for our Little Mermaid lightning lane from 2:10 to 3:10. It is, trying to see the standby wait, but we're not going to because we're going right in lightning lane. The time is 2:48. So here we go.
And you don't know why tonight I wanna kiss you, girl.
Yeah.
All right, so we had some time. That was Little Mermaid. You having fun, Mr. J?
Yes.
Yeah? We just did a little photo pass, little studio session over here at Sir Mickey's over here, which is, here's the castle. And Sir Mickey's is right over there. They have a little portrait studio. You can go in and do some pictures. They got all sorts of cute little props for you to take photos with your kids. And it's free, right? Sure? Yeah, it's free. So you can go in there and get some cute pictures with just the kids, you and the kids. But we are now going to be heading over to Pirates because that is our next lightning lane. And what time is that one?
3:50.
3:50. So we had some time to kill between Little Mermaid and this one. So we just went and did a little picture studio. So let's go. Over here at Pirates of the Caribbean, looks like standby is 40 minutes. Lightning lane entry is backed up a little bit, but we'll see how long it is once we actually get in there.
Run up your white flag, you scurvy.
Look, hold it on. Quiet, I say, quiet. Hey, G, what? Better with us.
Strong alive, for the child inside. So much more to be seen, so much more than a dream. For your eyes, tomorrow is brighter than you can imagine. Come on, take my hand, believe if you fly.
Alrighty, we're at the parking lot. Jordan, did you have fun today? You're tired?
Hey, look, we
Some quick thoughts on Genie Plus. We left and we did Mickey, so give or take 9 rides, 11 attractions altogether if you include Princess Fairy Tale Hall, and we met Mickey on the way out. And we got here at 9:30, and so we did pretty good. For the 5 of us, it's $15 a person, so that's $65, right?
No, it came to 75.
$75. And we didn't eat lunch. We were kind of snacking throughout the day, so kind of take that into consideration. But we got here about 9:30, and it is 5:30. So, and we did 11 attractions. So I really think it's worth it. It's interesting now that I've experienced Genie Plus at Magic Kingdom. I'm curious about how it would be at a park with less attractions, say Epcot or even Hollywood Studios. So I'm gonna have to go over there and check it out. But over here at Magic Kingdom, it's definitely worth it. I would highly recommend one person kind of manning the ship all day long, one person on the app kind of doing reservations as you do one ride, book another one, and you can do your favorites. So as you ride stuff, uncheck them off your list. So all the stuff that you haven't ridden kind of stays at the top, and you kind of see where all that stuff is. So I think that about covers it for me. I think it's worth it here at Magic Kingdom, Genie Plus. I'm gonna have to go check it out at the other parks, Epcot especially, because there's 5, 6 rides at Epcot. So we'll have to go over there one day and see if we can experience it there, because I think it would be a completely different experience. So anyways, guys, hopefully this was a nice little crash course for you on the Genie Plus thing. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.